pumapasok na siya.
Oo. Nagpapapicture na sa'yo?
Para mamaya din.
Wala na, lumabas na yun sa lahat ng social.
Vice President for Musical Variety Specials and Alternative Productions, Miss Gigi Santiago Lara. Introducing Assistant Vice President for Drama, Miss Ali No. Hermola Rabanes, Hermola, please proceed here. And Hermola, without giving so much away, can you tell us a little bit about your role at saka yung maabangan natin dito sa show?
Yes, ako po si Paldo dito.
Thank you, Sir Gancho. We'll see you inside. So we would like to hear a few words from you. Gusto kong tanongin, how do you stay young? And it's young looking as well, but I want to know more about your character though here in the Master Cutter. Sino ba siya?
Ang bilang ni Ato ay nagpalaki sa kanya, nagbigay ng taga-alaga sa kanya. At ako na ang tumatayo ina ng lahat dun sa neighborhood, dun sa mga barangay.
Let's go here. Wait. Charlie is still one of the youngest in the group here. I want to start with that first before you talk about your role. How was the experience working with everybody here? The veterans, because you have a lot of veteran actors working here on the show.
Yeah, so it's my second time working in such a big show with a lot of veteran actors. I've been learning so much on the set, grabe, and I've been really just taking in every single experience I have with them as our characters and of course just as ourselves also.
And you are here on the show.
Hi everyone, I'm Charlie Fleming again. My name is Carlos Samonte on this show and I'm quite a rebellious kid. Here I'm a bit boyish, the complete opposite of the glam that you see at the moment. And for here, I'm kind of like Kuya Albert's little sister in a way. And my mother is si Manang Sita, Miss Rio.
What's up, bro? You guys didn't know already, Prince is a former Tetra Pak kid. Tama, yan, mukha ng Tetra Pak. Prince, this is a big break for you. One of the biggest shows in GMA, probably the biggest in GMA in 2026. How do you feel that you're part of it?
I'm very blessed. Just the fact na ito yung mga kasama ko, mga veteran actors. And this opportunity talaga, I just want to grab this and give my best effort. Kasi grabe napakalaking project ko for me.
Hey, bro. Hello.
Hello, how are you doing?
Good, I'm good. How are you? How are you taking this opportunity and this event?
Honestly, this event, I'm just super blessed to be part of the Master Cutter with so many veteran actors. It's my first teleserye, so I've learned so much and just super excited to see you on the screen, guys.
Wow, okay.
Ako po si Jason sa The Master Cutter. Honestly, plays a balikbayan role, guys. Comes from a very wealthy background. Friends with Prince as well in the show, guys. And I don't know, we've had a lot of very fun sequences, and I'm just excited to see him on the screen.
So, magandang soap to. Kaya you should really watch it.
Okay. Don, you're the head of the Ruthless Regalia family.
Yes.
Tell us a little bit more about your character.
Well, I played the role of Dimitri Regalia. So, I used to be bad, but I turned good. Trying to tone down.
Alright.
Yeah.
So yun yung character
Yeah,
arc
medyo
niya.
turning point. Yeah.
Okay. Sayang na walking in.
Hello.
Please go here. This is your spot. Hello, how are you?
Very good. Thank you for asking. How are you?
You're looking very beautiful tonight.
Thank you.
I'm also good, but I know you're very excited for this. Can you tell us a little bit more about your...
I play the character of Martina Regalia, daughter of Dimitri Regalia and wife of Red Regalia. And I think Martina's character is driven by a lot of envy and how she just wants to keep, and how she's willing to do anything to keep what she believes is hers.
Okay, so now,
Hi everyone.
Hello, Sir Bao.
Malaking challenge itong Master Cutter because of course it's a big fantasy show. We have to make sure that the action is good and at the same time friendly pa rin tayo sa mga bata. Diba? Because it's a prime time show and I made sure na kahit paano si Red ay funny in a way, kahit paano kahit tumagin na lang.
Okay now, sabi ni Sir Bao. Relax lang naman, Sir Bao. It's Joe Berry, everybody! Ikaw sabi na po namin dito. Okay, kamusta ka?
Excited po tonight.
Ayan, Miss Jo, kasi ikaw kasama mo dito, mga kakilala mo na, mga kapuso, friends natin dito. Kamusta yung experience sa'yo, shooting the Master Cutter with a lot of your friends?
Masaya po, masaya kasi magkakakilala naman po kami. First time ko silang makatrabaho. So, magaan yung trabaho kasi syempre you're a new friend.
Oo. Kakilala mo naman sa amin.
Well, ako po dito si Ame, isang dating nagtatrabaho sa Ambulan na mapipilitang maging con artist to provide for Ebyang. Ako rin po ang guardian ni Ebyang.
Ooh!
Yes.
Con artist.
Yes. At may crush din siya kay Atoy. So, abangan niyo po
May crush siya kay Arthur. Sige, kaabang-abang.
Gusto ko po muna magpasalamat sa lahat ng mga kapuso na nandito ngayon to all our media friends. Hello, this is it! Mapapanood na po ang Master Cutter. So, sobrang excited po ako ngayon na i-share sa inyo ang napakagandang balita dahil malapit na po the Master Cutter. And they make me feel comfortable. Hindi nila ako, alam mo yung walang awkwardness and intimidation dahil sobrang babait at sobrang gagaling ng mga kasama ko pong aktor dito sa The Master Cutter.
Huli na lang, Shubs. Bigyan mo kami ng preview nung character mo dito sa show.
Abangan. Ay, yun, para matapos. Sige po. Mga kapuso, ako po si Shugi Andrada. Gaganap po ako bilang si Tinette Mendoza, isa pong probinsyana, Bisaya na pinaghahanap ng kalinga ng isang kapatid. Pero in the course of it, mahahanap niyo ang kanyang number one crush, ang kanyang TTH, si Apo.
Ayun. Hello. Is go there? This is your mic?
What a graceful entrance
Ano?
naman.
Tama.
What a graceful ko naman, Joe.
You look so gorgeous this evening,
Thank you
Max.
so much. You
Ano?
look so dapper this evening.
Thank you, thank you. I'm very flattered. Okay, so Max, can you tell us why this project is so special to you?
Grabe. Island girl talaga ako eh. Mahilig talaga ako sa beach, nature, but at the same time, may mga tinatago akong sikreto. And
Uy!
that's why may mga, there's a cat and mouse dynamic between Atoy's character and my character. At mapapanood mo yan.
Mamaya ba? Mr. Ding Dong Dantes, please go here. Di ko na kailangan sabihin. Looking very dapper to me. Kamusta Dong?
Mabuti naman, Martin. Ito, sobrang excited na sa palabas na ito. We are just so excited to share this with everyone. Days before its world premiere on May 11. And pag mahal mo yung mga katrabaho mo, kasama ko, so ilang dekada na, ilang mga taon na, napakasarap katrabaho, napakasarap kasama, lalo na kapag may ganitong klaseng material ka. Na very, very exciting. Ano po, syempre, yung flavor din natin bilang manonood, nagpapago yan. So gusto natin ng something new all the time. And I am just so happy to be part of a project that offers something that is unique and that offers something that can relate to everybody.
That's right. Okay, speaking...
Cinema C, pasok na po!
Amazing!
Shuvi Etrata.
The Master Cutter, kasama po ng aming direktor si Direk Dominic Zapata. Palakpakan po natin si our lead director, Direk Dom. Our co-directors, Direk Aya Topacio and Direk Jonar Del Rosario. Of course, together with our staff and crew. At higit sa lahat, kasama ng GMA Network, ang GMA Entertainment Group, ang GMA Drama Group. We just want to say thank you for producing a show like this and for giving us this opportunity to tell this story. Sa mga kasamahan po natin sa media, sa press, we just can't wait to share what we have in store for you. So ito na po, simulan na po natin ang The
Someone so strong, because Carla is such a strong young girl who had to grow up in such a hard environment. So, somewhat similar lang po sa backstory ko that you guys are very familiar with, especially at UAP, if you've seen it. Kaya thank you guys so much.
Thanks, basketball.
And then, pero first of all, syempre, I just wanna say thank you to everyone who came out here and, samahan kami dito. And syempre, for sa mga creative producers, direct, and my fellow cast here for this wonderful opportunity for me because grabe, malaking proyekto para sa akin to, makasama ko sila. And as one of the newer actors here, gusto ko lang talaga i-grab tong opportunity na to learn and to grow. And hopefully ito yung maging stepping stone ko sa pagiging successful ko sa showbiz. Ayun po.
Hello everyone. Thank you for all being here, to the media, to our friends, to the staff. Well, first and foremost, it's my first ever teleserie, so I think my first taping day, I had to buy a taping chair, which I never knew of.
Okay.
But to be
Where were you
completely-
sitting before?
On the floor.
On the floor. Okay.
Super random, guys. I'm honestly pretty new to showbiz, so a lot of first-timer things, but kind of answering your question, to be working with so many veteran actors on my first teleserie, it's honestly an honor to be able to work with them. But something that I've really learned is, behind all the glitz and glamour, in front of the camera, they're wonderful people, but it's really who they are behind the camera, inside the tent. They're really, really kind people. Honestly, I think my first time meeting Kuya Ding Dong, I was so scared to walk up to him. I told Shuvi, what should I say to him? What do I call him? And honestly, for me to hear my first name and for him to address me was very respectful. So I don't know, just from the veteran actors, I've learned to be very, very humble behind the cameras.
Galing sila sa complicated na past and nahihirapan sila magtiwala, mag-trust sa tao, and I think kaya sila napapalapit sa isa't isa kasi nakikita nila yung similarities and trauma bonding, ganon. So I think that's what and also I want to thank everyone for being here tonight. Thank you to the media and to our bosses and to our staff and everybody who's a part of the show, because we're nothing without you. We're a team, we collaborated, and we have great leaders, Direk Dom, Ding Dong. We have amazing leaders. Wait lang, mamaya ka na. So it's really by example. I think lahat kami nag-enjoy sa set. We're such a fun, loving cast and crew and set dahil sa leaders namin. And thank you so much, GMA, for such a beautiful show. Thank you.
Ito ng bawat weeks. Pakomplika yung kanyang kwento. At hindi lang yung kanyang kwento, kung hindi yung kwento ng lahat ng characters. Kung nakita nyo kanina, yun ay ang days 1 to 5 na compressed. Pero yung pa lang yun, ang dami pa pong characters na hindi na i-introduce dito. Very, very interesting characters. Kagaya ng pagpasok ng character nila Shuvi, nila Anthony, nila Prince, lahat, nila Kuya Ton, si Ame, si Joe, tsaka si Shella, everybody else. Tingin ko si Atoy, parang siya lang yung sumisimbolo talaga lang tumatahi ng kwento ng mas maraming interesting characters. Kaya naipakita yun sa umpisa. And kahit siguro sa umpisa ay nakikita natin na ito'y isang action series, di ba? Because of the opening scene. But the truth is, it is an action series but with a heart. dahil talagang malaki talaga ang puso ng programang The Master Cutter. It talks about finding things, not just literally finding things, but also finding oneself, 'di ba, sa kanilang mga characters. And I'd like to talk more about yung kay Atoy mismo. Kasi having action scenes, having drama scenes, medyo ano yan eh, hindi lang siya, pag sinabi action lang, hindi lang pag drama, kombinasyon. So, hindi siya simpleng gawin. And wala naman siguro magkiklaim na somebody is a master of something. Ako, I would like to say that I would like always be a student of something. And para sa akin, I am always a student of the arts and of this craft. Di ba? Something I am always grateful for. Kaya, pasalamat ako. I'd like to mention our creative team, our brilliant creative team for giving us this material. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. So yun, si Atoy, naghahanap siya ng mga taong tutulungan. Naghahanap siya ng taong hindi mahanap pero siya kaya niyang gawin. Pero ang katotohanan nun, kasi hindi rin niya talaga mahanap yung ano yung sagot sa sarili niyang problema. Which at the core of everything is the father and son story. That's why later on we will see that it is actually a modern family story when pag napag-connect nyo na ano kayang kinalaman ni Max Collins? Ano kayang ni Elaine na later on magpapalit ang pangalan? Ano kayang kinalaman lalo ni Shena sa lahat ng ito? So, lahat ng ito ay nakatahi sa storya ng bawat isa.
Thank you. And paano na lang?
Picture ako, teka. Picture lang daw.
Picture na po. Yes po.
Ay, picture lang ako.
Baba na po yung format, babalik po.
Baby ko sa taas, dito ko sa baba. Kahit pag walang tao, bahala. Basta
Happy anniversary po.
tunin ako.
Happy anniversary.
Family friends here.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Nice to see you. Anthony. Anthony. He's copying you. Wait lang. Antonio. Gitaro. Someone like that. Malagi yung pinapanood yung videos.
Actually, when I was watching, I had to learn.
Okay, let's do it. This is a video. Kaya na yan. Kaya niya yan, promise. Kaya niya yan gawin. Okay. Na-practice niya yung gabi-gabi. Oh, grabe siya. Anthony, follow him. Oh my gosh. Lower. Anthony, lower. Okay.